Hey guys, what's up? It's Juan, and today we're going to be going over my top 5 material design apps. Now, it's not only my top 5 material design apps, but this is a collaboration video with another YouTube channel and another YouTuber called Pratik Nair. So he's got really great quality content and a bunch of great tutorials. So it's a collaboration video. I'm going to be showing you 3, he'll be showing you 2. So as always, let's go ahead and get started. So guys, with this collaboration video, I'm going to be going over apps 1, 3, and 5, and he'll be doing 2 and 4. So the first app we decided that was going to be first on the list was Ikaw. Ikaw, if you guys didn't know, is a calendar app, and it's based off material design, obviously. And the color scheme it goes with is that the action bar and the menus are a nice turquoise, and then the calendar itself is actually white with the floating compose button being a yellow, so it looks really good. Now, Ikaw isn't only a beautiful calendar app, it's also very functional. You get a built-in task manager, which is awesome, and a built-in event planner, so you really don't have to download another task manager like I used to have. I used to have just the regular stock calendar with a task app called TickTick, which they were really good, but then I realized if I got Ikaw, I could just have one app that does both those things, so I decided to go for Ikaw, and I've been loving it ever since. It's a great calendar app that I definitely recommend you guys go ahead and try out.
What is up, guys? This is PTUHD here with the next 2 applications of the top 5 material design apps. So right here we have Textra SMS, and this is flat out gorgeous. They have everything from the matching status bar color to the flat overall UI of the whole application. Now, I'd like to start off by saying there's a lot of features in this app as well. It's not just about design. It has always been one of the top SMS replacement apps. Now let's go right into a message thread here. It looks completely flat, and as you can see here, even the animations, gorgeous. Absolutely flat and gorgeous. You can also send pictures, and lots of pictures at that. You also have the option to, really customize this app, and that's really why I love this app. Over here, you can actually swipe to the left to delete things, kind of like iOS, which is really why I love this app, because it reminds me of the exceptional Messages app on Apple's platform. Now let's head into settings and show you what the customization options are. So right off the bat, we have the off mode, which is basically a light mode for this app. I personally like the dark mode. It just helps, read text a lot better. You also have the option to completely change the color theme or scheme of the app. I personally like this red color here. You can change it to whatever you like. And then there's also a black mode, which actually makes the background completely black. The dark mode is a little bit more material design-esque. The black is kind of hollow. You also have the option for quick compose, which is in your notification section. You just tap that and boom, you have a cool quick compose section. Like I said, the design is gorgeous. Everything about this, it screams material design. But the best part about it is that it also comes with a boatload of features. Everything from delivery reports to that little button there, the material design quick compose button on the bottom, the plus. So really, if you're looking for a beautiful app with functionality, you want to go ahead and pick this app up. Up next, we have Google Plus, and now this is obviously a go-to app for Google's social media platform called Google Plus, and of course it's gonna get an update because it's made by Google. Now the material design looks really great, coming straight from Google. It's got that card style interface when you scroll up and down through things. It also has an overall flat appeal to everything. The status bar matches all the time. It's got that blur and flat tone to it, which looks really great. Now if you're a Google Plus user, then as far as new features go, there aren't many new features. It's mainly just that flat design. You get this floating pop-up window, the floating plus compose button, and the overall flattened look of the UI. Now besides that, there aren't many new features like I said before, but it's still really good to point out that Google is updating its standard apps to match its material design UI, and it looks great. Not very many settings to configure, just a little bit of notification stuff, etc. Really great app. Love Google Plus's new platform and what they're implementing in that. So that is pretty much it for Google Plus.
So guys, the third app that we're going to be going ahead and talk about is Phoenix. Phoenix is a Twitter client. If you guys didn't know, I did do a top 5 Twitter clients, or top 3 Twitter clients in my channel, and on my channel, not on Pratik's channel, but on my channel, and Phoenix was one of them because it's a great app. Phoenix is a Twitter client, and it just got material design. So you get, of course, the floating compose button to compose a tweet, and you also get the animation for the app for the sliding hamburger drawer, not like the Play Store one where it turns into an arrow, but it just moves at a nice 60 frames per second, I believe. It looks really, really good, and it definitely mixes in with material design. I definitely like how the way it looks, and there's also a bunch of appearance settings if you want to customize it even more. Like maybe you want the link color to be a blue instead of red. I have like a dark theme and orange for Halloween, but I'm probably going to change it soon. But yeah, that's Phoenix. You can customize a lot of it with the link colors and the themes. So yeah, I definitely like Phoenix. So the 5th and final material design app that we're going to be bringing you guys is called Wally. If you guys like wallpapers, Wally is definitely for you, as it's based off, I believe it's based off Wallbase, and it just gives you all the Wallbase wallpapers. It's got all the perks of being a material designed app, like a compose, like a floating window. You get a bunch of flashy animations, and yeah, it's just a great app overall. So you get the flashy animations, like I said before, when you want to refresh a wallpaper, and when you click on a wallpaper and then something really awesome happens. The loading spinner looks really good, and then you get an animation for when you can set the wallpaper, save it, and then of course you can expand it by clicking on the floating button for you to expand it, and that's really what gives it material design. Also, you have the perks of it having the transparent navigation and status bar, which looks really good, especially on a wallpaper app, since you don't want it covering any of the wallpapers. So yeah, that's Wally, a really good looking and material looking wallpaper app. So guys, those are our top 5 material designed apps. Do you agree or disagree with them? Make sure to let us know in the comments below on both of our videos. Make sure to subscribe to the Pratik's channel as well as mine if you want to see great content. And make sure to follow us on social media. Links down below. As always, thanks for watching, and make sure to have a great day and like the video if you enjoyed it.